Hi, I'm Judy Gammett, the owner of Dogs Can Dance, and I can't wait to return to Los Angeles on June 2nd for a day of freestyle workshops. If you're interested in the sport of freestyle or have some experience, this is perfect for you. We have a morning workshop that's creating movement phrases based upon your most favorite move and how to fill up the music phrase with that movement phrase. That starts at 9:30, and then at 1:30 we're going to be doing a workshop called Using Distance and how you can use distance moves to create some contrast in your routine. And I think dogs just really enjoy that, working with a little bit of distance, because there they really show up. So the cost of both workshops is $65. The deadline to register for the full day of workshops is May 20th. So make sure that you click on the link below the description and either download those forms or message me and I'll get you signed up right away via PayPal. So I hope to see you June 2nd near LAX at Camp Runamuck.